Silicon photomultipliers require careful optimization of photon detection efficiency, and this calculator solves that complex engineering challenge by letting you analyze how different parameters interact to achieve your target performance. Let's explore the 6 calculation modes available. The drop-down menu offers Calculate PDE from Components, Calculate Required Quantum Efficiency, Calculate Required Fill Factor, Calculate Avalanche Probability, Calculate Required Overvoltage, and Calculate Dark Count Rate Effect. Today we'll demonstrate Calculate PDE from Components to show how individual parameters combine. The calculator includes 10 input fields. Quantum efficiency percentage represents your sensor's photon to electron conversion ratio. Fill factor percentage indicates the active area coverage. Avalanche probability percentage defines carrier multiplication likelihood. Target PDE percentage sets your desired detection efficiency goal. Overvoltage in volts is the bias above breakdown. Saturation probability percentage accounts for pixel recovery effects. Saturation overvoltage in volts marks the saturation onset point. Dark count rate in kilohertz represents thermal noise events. Signal rate in kilohertz is your expected photon arrival rate. Wavelength in nanometers specifies your operating spectrum. Let's work through a typical near-infrared detection scenario. Enter 70 for quantum efficiency, 65 for fill factor, 95 for avalanche probability, 5 volts for overvoltage, 10% for saturation probability, 7 volts for saturation overvoltage, 100 for dark count rate, 50 for signal rate, and 900 for wavelength. Click Calculate. The results show your effective PDE at approximately 41% and detection rate around 20 kHz, with status confirming successful calculation and notes providing optimization guidance. These outputs directly translate to real detection performance and help you identify whether component improvements or operating conditions need adjustment. Remember that overvoltage dramatically impacts both gain and noise, so optimize carefully for your specific application. Find the link in the description below.